Une des illusions qu'on cherche à développer dans l'homme moderne, c'est de lui faire croire que la technique le rend plus libre. Si vous utilisez tout un tas de moyens techniques, vous êtes plus libre. Libre de quoi?
Thirdly, the emotions and passions as fear, love, self-esteem, power, anger, ridicule, aesthetic emotion, religion, the moral sentiment. He says, in one respect, these may be viewed as pleasures or pains and as attracting or deterring us according to their felt intensity, whether they be actual or anticipated. Such are the pleasures of affection, of self-complacency, revenge, fine art, and the pains of sorrow, humiliation, remorse. In another aspect, they take on the character of passions or inflammation, disturbing the fair calculations of the will and inducing us to act without reference to our pleasures or our pains. Fear, terror, or dread, whatever pains us, is an object of avoidance, according to our sense of the pain. This is not fear, but the usual attitude of precaution against harm. But on certain occasions, pain in prospect is accompanied with a tremulous and unhinging excitement, under which the powers are enfeebled and rational calculation is interfered with, every other interest being sacrificed to the morbid impulse. And this is a high school textbook. Terror is a powerful agent in overcoming the contumacious and self-willed disposition, and is made use of in government, in religion, and in education. The passion may be excited by the mere prospect of great suffering, but still more effectually by unknown dangers, uncertainties, and vast possibilities of evil in matters keenly felt by the hearers. The approach of unexperienced calamities is apt to engender panic. Under a plague or epidemic, people may be easily frightened into measures that in cool moments they would repudiate. The sick and the depressed can readily be inspired with religious and moral terrors. History furnishes many examples of political oratory succeeding through the excitement of terror.